let's talk Hermes repair. Hermes spa repair before and after. So good. They're part whatever. I don't know how many times I've done this video, but let's talk about it. They're magicians. They're so good. This is why I love Hermes so much, okay? First day in Paris, I found a scratch on my Mini Kelly, my new Munchkin Mini Kelly. Special order, my baby, brand new. My newest bag outside of my newest bags, but my most recent, well, not my most recent, you know what I mean. Most recent one that I started wearing. I literally freaked out. I was so upset. I got Chevre because I thought it was more luxurious. I guess it's a little less durable than Epsom, even though my Epsom Kelly has a lot of scratches too, but Epsom is a little more hard wearing. And usually people get Mini Kellys in Epsom, but the Chevre was a little more luxurious and rare. Found a scratch. I think it was from one of my nails, which I know a lot of you guys give me shit about my nails. I'm terrible at taking care of them and manicures and coloring them and all those things. Very quick video, but now it's going to be a very long video. Anyway, I will insert a photo of the scratch because I didn't take a video of it, but this is the photo of the scratch. I sent a text to the Hermes spa repair service. People, I have a contact there too that I've done a few things with. I think I showed you guys the passport cover, the box leather. They cleaned out really, really well. The stuff I bought from the Rail, they cleaned it for free. Even though it was usually charged, they cleaned it for free and made it new and gave me dust bags for it. So basically, I bought these things secondhand from the Rail, confirmed the authenticity because they were clean and made them brand new, and then got a dust bag for them, which they didn't come with. Anyway, I had a little scratch on the front here, and I freaked out, and I got really upset. I sent the photos. They said, bring it in. I said, can you do it day of my appointment, from this time I start the appointment to the time I end the appointment, because I'm only here, for one more day, and I don't want to leave it. So they took it, and I also asked them to clean the inside, but they didn't clean the inside because they have a weird thing about insides, which we can talk about it separately. But here is the after. I mean, it's literally non-existent. You guys don't know a little bit about Hermes bar repair service, okay? This is why we love Hermes. Aside from how you get the bags, when you have the bags, besides the quality, besides how they make you feel, besides the luxuriousness, besides the timelessness and the classicness and all the things and the practicality and all the things about the bag, they are repairable for life, which makes them usable for life. Anytime you have any problems with them, you can always repair them. Anything on the outside, I can go into a deeper video. I've done a couple of videos with it. Anything on the outside, the handles can be replaced. The handles can be replaced. The leather can be cleaned and conditioned. The scratches, the scuffs, the hardware can be cleaned, buffed, replaced. All that kind of stuff. Anything. And I've done it already twice with two of my bags, and they did it in store really quickly in the US, and I've done it with small leather goods in France, and they've done it in store. Sometimes, mostly the repair takes them a long time, but sometimes they can do it in store.